What's in the building, Betty? Get my magic towel. Well, it may be. Move. Move, Aaron.
Oh no.
He asked your daddy if he was tired. He said, well, not really, but said, I'm going to let you try it.
Uh-huh.
I reckon he changed his mind. Maybe he thought Dennis would make a mess.
Maybe.
I don't think he trusts this Dennis. I don't think he trusts this Dennis. He told Dennis he was going to let him try it. He told Dennis he'd walk with him or something. I forgot what he said.
That's what's wrong with this thing. You don't want to be. Then
What's the matter with you, baby? Ed. Go back.
It's not full. That's good. Aaron, get in this house.